In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect a Bluetooth device to the Samsung Galaxy A15. The first step is to open the Settings app and then select Connections. Tap on Bluetooth and ensure that it is enabled. Once enabled, put your Bluetooth device in pairing mode. And then, if you can't find it in the list that appears here, under the section labeled Available Devices, tap on the Scan option. And then, you should see your Bluetooth device. So tap on that to pair it to your phone. Confirm that you wish to pair. And you should get a notification that now your phone is connected to that Bluetooth device. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.